Jesus was by the sea where many people were gathered together, so he went into a ship, and the whole multitude stood on the shore. And he spoke many things unto them in parables, saying, Behold, a sower went forth to sow seeds, and when he sowed, some seeds fell by the wayside, and the birds came and ate them up. Some fell upon stony places where they had not much earth, and they sprung up because they had no depth of earth. But when the sun was up, they were scorched, and because they had no root, they withered away. And some fell among thorns, and the thorns sprung up and choked them. But other seeds fell into good ground and brought forth fruit, some 100-fold, some 60-fold, some 30-fold. Who hath ears to hear, let him hear. And the disciples said to him, Why do you speak to them in parables? He answered, Because it is given to you to know the mysteries of the kingdom of heaven, but to them it is not given. For whosoever hath, to him shall more be given, and he shall have more abundance. But whosoever has not, from him shall be taken away even that he has. Therefore I speak to them in parables, because seeing they see not, and hearing they hear not, nor do they understand. In these people is fulfilled the prophecy of Isaiah, who said, By hearing ye shall hear, but shall not understand, and seeing ye shall see, but shall not perceive. For this people's heart is hardened, and their ears are dull of hearing, and their eyes they have closed. Lest at any time they should see with their eyes, and hear with their ears, and should understand with their heart, and should be converted, and I should heal them. But blessed are your eyes, for they see, and your ears, for they hear. For verily I say unto you, that many prophets and righteous men have desired to see those things which ye see, and have not seen them, and to hear those things which ye hear, and have not heard them. Therefore I tell you the parable of the sower. When anyone hears the word of the kingdom, but doesn't understand it, then comes the wicked one, and takes away that which was sown in his heart. This is he who received seed by the wayside. But he that received the seed into stony places, the same is he that heareth the word, and receives it with joy for a little time, yet has he not root in himself, but only endures for a while. For when tribulation or persecution arises because of the word, by and by he is offended. He also that received seed among the thorns is he that hears the word, and the care of this world and the deceitfulness of riches choke the word, and he becomes unfruitful. But he that received seed into the good ground is he that hears the word and understands it, which also bears fruit, and brings forth a harvest, some 100-fold, some 60, some 30. Let your heart be the good ground that receives the word of the Lord, and returns to God a harvest in abundance.